Hello and welcome again, everyone. Today's topic is Indian Premier League. You know that we are following the next education book. So, here is Indian Premier League. It is the famous league of India, which is controlled by BCCI, that is Board of Cricket Council for India. So, the Indian Premier League, it is a professional T20 league. It is basically a league of cricket league in which 20 overs have to be played by one team. Okay, it contested by 8 teams. So total there are 8 teams based out of 8 different Indian cities. They are named after Indian cities like Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore, and so on. The league was founded by Board of Control for Cricket in India in 2007. But first IPL was played in 2008 and which was won by Rajasthan Royals, the team Rajasthan Royals, in which the captain was Shane Warne, the famous Australian bowler, Shane Warne. Okay, the leg spinner, the mystery spinner. Okay, so IPL is a professional T20 cricket league which was established in 2008 by BCCI in the same franchisee and knockout formats as English Premier League. Like English Premier League is going on, BCCI has founded India's own league, which is what? Which is the IPL, that is Indian Premier League. Now it is that IPL is celebrated as the festival, one of the festival of India. Okay, so it is played in a round robin format. What is round robin format? I will show you afterwards. So the IPL matches are played on a home away basis. It means that suppose there are two teams, Mumbai and Chennai. These are the two teams. So basically every team have to play two matches with other team, means Mumbai will play two matches with Chennai. So one match will be held at Chennai and one match will be held at Mumbai. Okay, so this is the format. Now the top two teams from the league play each other in the first qualifying match with this I will describe here. Okay, so suppose after playing total 14 matches have to played by one team, and one team have to play 14 matches. So out of them, those who were the top 4, sorry, these 4, suppose these are the top 4 teams, then the team first and second team will play a qualifier first here, and the winner will go to the finals directly. Okay, but the losers didn't knock out. The one who loses this qualifier 1 have to play the qualifier 2. Okay, so and in third and fourth number team they have to play a eliminator. Okay, they have to play an eliminator, and those who win the eliminator, he have to play with the loser of qualifier first. Okay, it means that the top two teams have benefit whether they lost the qualifier first or win the qualifier first. If they win, they will directly play the final. If they lose, they have to play the qualifier second, and then they will reach to the finals. Okay, so this is the format about the IPL. So yes, the player were chosen by the auctions organized by the league, है ना. Suppose there is MS Dhoni, he always play for Chennai. But if we talk about some other players like Faf du Plessis or Shane Watson and many other players like ABD Villiers. So AB play for Royal Challengers Bangalore. Okay, so who decide that the player will have to play in this team? So this is done by the auction in which players are betted. Okay, now okay, so here is the first player in front of you, right in front of you. So he made his IPL debut in 2014 and he is one of the finest test cricket player of the world. His name is what? Kane Williamson. And in IPL he is captained SRH, Sunrisers Hyderabad. So his team name is Sunrisers Hyderabad. Okay. Now second one, he is our Indian captain Virat Kohli. You all know. chalo, so let's do the questions here. Okay, so now here he is what, the Kane Williamson. Okay, so his team name is SRH, this is Sunrisers Hyderabad, and he himself is the captain. Okay, now here Virat Kohli, he is what, Virat Kohli, and he plays for Royal Challengers Bangalore, RCB. Okay, his captain, he is the captain Virat Kohli only. Here MSD, है ना, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी, his team name is Chennai Super Kings, CSK, Chennai Super Kings. Okay, pause the video and note down the names: Sunrisers Hyderabad, Royal Challengers Bangalore, and Chennai Super Kings. Okay, he himself is the captain, so captain's name MSD. Acha, they all are captains. Okay, so you have to write their name here. He is what, Kane Williamson, Virat Kohli, and MSD, of course, my favorite player. Okay, so here is the image of Dinesh Karthik. He plays for Kolkata Knight Riders, that is KKR, in the IPL team. Another one, he is Ravichandran Ashwin, one of the greatest spinners of India, है ना, Indian Test cricket team. So, and he plays for Delhi Capitals now. Okay, before that he plays with Dhoni in Chennai, after that, but recently he is playing for Delhi Capitals, that is DC, the new team. The name was changed, nothing new about that. Yes, here is one youngest player of our Indian cricket team, his name is Shreyas Iyer. Okay, and he is the captain, he is playing in Delhi Capitals also. Okay, so both Ravichandran Ashwin and Shreyas, they both play for yes, here is the hitman who have most double centuries record. He have made 200 runs of 3 times. Okay, double century, he hits double century 3 times. It is a dream of a cricketer that if he is able to get 200 plus score, and this man reaches that score thrice. Okay, so his name is the great Rohit Sharma. He is our Indian cricket team player. Here is also one Indian cricket team player, which is Ajinkya Rahane, the test player of our Indian cricket team, है ना. So he plays, okay, yes, so here we will write everything. Dinesh Karthik, he plays for Kolkata Knight, KNIGST, Knight means fighter, Riders. Okay, so KKR. Captain's name Dinesh Karthik, DK. Here is who is this? This is Ravichandran Ashwin. He plays for Delhi Capitals. Okay, and his name is what? Ravichandran Ashwin, R Ashwin. He is Shreyas Iyer, and he also plays for Delhi Capitals. Rohit Sharma, there is the Mumbai captain, Mumbai Indians, and his name is Rohit Sharma, of course. And the last one, he is Ajinkya Rahane. Okay, so, and his team name is also DC. You can get the options from your book. The last option, the remaining option of your book is his team name, because I think he is playing for Delhi, yes, Delhi Capitals right now, but you can confirm it in your book also. Okay, so now, yes, one more thing, the brand value of IPL in 2017 was US 5.3 billion, not million, now according to DUFF and PHELPS. Okay, so you have to search, here is an assignment, you have to search what does